Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Winnie Stephanie and I am 24 140. Here, I will explain my presentation with the title Social Dynamic of the Grogol Village Community. Number 1 is introduction. Grogol Village is one of the villages in Tulangan District, Sidoarjo Regency, with a height of 6 meters above sea level and an area of 111,900 hectares. Access to Grogol Village can be reached by 4 wheels with very flat roads. The distance between the capital and Grogol Village is 93 kilometers and can be reached in around 17 minutes. Social group and social dynamic. Number 1. Social group. The residents of Grogol Village are divided into several social groups, namely traditional farmers who use manual methods and tools, modern farmers who adopt new technology for efficiency, and farm workers who help farmers during the harvest season. Number 2, social dynamic is in Grogol Village the shift in agricultural patterns between modern and traditional technology creates difference between generation and economic disparities, but the spirit of mutual cooperation is maintained despite the challenge. Next, social layering. One upper layer is consists of larger landowners, local businessmen, and village officials. They have more access to resources. Two, middle layer is consists of farmers with smaller land, traders, and informal sector workers. They have a stable income. Number 3, lower layer is consists of small farmers on agricultural laborers who still rely on traditional agricultural methods. They have limited access to education and technology. Next is social mobility. Number 1, vertical mobility. Up. Farmers who adopt technology and education youth can move up in social class. B. Down is farmers who have difficulty adapting can fall into poverty. Number 2 is horizontal mobility occurs when individuals change job or type of business without changing their social layer. For example, farmers who turn into trader of informal sector workers. Number 3, intergenerational mobility. Difference in farming pattern between generates great social mobility with educated younger generation getting better opportunities. Next, cultural ecology. The cultural ecology in Grogol Village is reflected in the close relationship between society and nature. Agriculture, such as rice, corn, and horticulture, is the main livelihood, with a culture of mutual cooperation in harvesting and land care, reflecting harmony and interdependence between humans and the environment. Community adaptation. The Grogol Village community adapt to environmental and technological change, adopting modern agricultural technology to increase yields. Although some still maintain traditional methods, the younger generation is turning to the non-agricultural sector, adapting to social and economic change. Next, gender. In Grogol Village, men are dominant in managing land and having farming, while women are more often involved in domestic work and selling agricultural products. However, the role of women is starting to increase, especially in micro business such as producing agricultural products. And this is a percentage gender in Grogol Village. Next is development issues. Development issues in Grogol Village include gaps in access to education, technology, and employment opportunities for women. Infrastructure development, such as health and education facilities, is expected to support women empowerment and reduce gender gaps, as well as provide more opportunities for women in the economic sector. And these education facilities as help in next social change and development. One social change in rural village can be seen from the shift of the younger generation to the non-agricultural sector. While farmers adopt modern technology, that creates a divide between the older generation to maintain traditional ways and the younger generation who are more open to innovation. Number two, development is in rural village focusing on infrastructure, health facilities, education, as well as community empowerment and skill training programs. Inclusive development is expected to reduce social disparities and increase welfare. Last, solution recommendation is to develop rural village. It is necessary to increase access to education, skill training and women empowerment, infrastructure development, agricultural technology and economic diversification with non-agricultural sector are also important. Apart from that, strengthening mutual cooperation, access to information technology, and developing local business can improve welfare and reduce social inequality in a sustainable manner. Thank you. That's all my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.